Hey everybody, welcome to the Canter Fire Truck Series. So in this video, guys, you're going to see we have a trim carpenter on staff. Glenn's got over 30, almost 40 years of experience in trim carpentry, and he's very attentive to detail. He likes to make sure everything fits perfectly. He may take it apart several times, measure it several times. The old saying, measure twice, cut once. So he does a lot of that. He may measure 5 or 6 times and only cut once. And the reason we do that is there are on certain builds that people want a custom cabinet, or they want a custom door, or they want a special area of the truck. There. We try to do a lot of things where we'll run chases around the perimeter of the truck, and those are made out of wood, so they match in and blend in with the finishes in the truck. And that's where your utilities are. You may have a plumbing line, electrical line, LED strip, 12-volt line, propane line, whatever. But again, we try and make everything flow, and that's where the custom carpentry comes in.
Now, if I could turn the electricity on and everything works, I'll be really happy. Mains, sides. We got electricity again. That's a good thing.
So as we were putting the bathroom together on the Canter, we came out and said, you know, let's make this feel like a home. We don't want it to look like your typical RV. We put specific river rock tile on the floor. We actually made a nook in the wall so you could hang your soap, shower, shampoo bottles, and whatever else you need.
Got a metal piece of trim that'll go around that, and silver like aluminum all the way around the face of that.
So if you have any questions about any of the products we've used, leave a comment in the comment section below the video and we'll get back to you with the product details.